Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you how to replace the battery in an Apple AirTag. If you receive the low battery alerts from the Find My app and aren't sure on how to open the AirTag or which battery it uses, don't worry, I'll walk you through everything step by step. So I already own an AirTag, but I've just picked up a second one, so I'll use this to quickly demonstrate. AirTags are super useful for keeping track of your belongings, whether that's your wallet, a checked suitcase when traveling, or even your car. To open the AirTag, place it on a stable surface with the metal side facing upwards. You then want to press down firmly whilst rotating the cover anti-clockwise. Keep turning until the cap comes off. The AirTag uses a CR2032 battery, so whenever you get the low battery notification, this is the battery you'll need. To put it back together, simply insert the new battery, place the cap back on, then press down whilst rotating clockwise until it's secure and no longer comes off. That's it guys, I hope you found this quick tutorial helpful. If you did, be sure to give it a like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.